Hi guys, Linda here. Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to be making tom yum soup, and I was inspired to make this after seeing Lisa, the Viet Vegan, make it on her channel. And tom yum is a really popular flavor profile from Thailand. I love it because it really reminds me of this Vietnamese soup called canh chua, which translates into sour soup in English. So yeah, if you want to see how I make my inspired version, just keep on watching. So for our ingredients, I have here some baby bok choy, bean sprouts, Roma tomatoes, spring onion, fried tofu, some mushrooms, pre-sliced, yellow onion, garlic, and I have some extra vegetables from a previous dinner, so I'm just going to use up the rest of these. For our seasoning, I have some tom yum paste, very important, soy sauce, sea salt, granulated onion, garlic powder, for some extra tanginess, some lemon and pepper seasoning, and some black pepper. Alright, so in goes our onions, and mixing with the garlic. And here I'm adding in some sea salt just to help the onions sweat down more quickly. And while the onions are cooking, I'm going to go ahead and prep the rest of my ingredients. Here I have my baby bok choy. I'm going to go ahead and cut off the bottom parts first because I plan to add those into the pot before I add in the leaves. And I'm going to go ahead and do the same with the spring onion. Here I'm cutting off its lower bottom part and adding those parts in first before I add in the green stalks later on. And then from here what I want to do is add in the tom yum paste. This is going to help awaken the flavors when you heat it up. So the instruction says to use 1.5 tablespoons per 2 cups. Actually, I think I'm going to make 4 cups worth, so I'm going to add in 1.5 more tablespoons of this paste. Alright, so the tomatoes have been simmering in the tom yum paste for a few minutes now. And then from here, I'm going to add in my water. So we're going to add in 4 cups today. Increase the heat. And to eat with the soup, I made some rice earlier. So here we have some Japanese sushi rice. I prefer sushi rice over regular jasmine rice only because it's a little bit sweeter and stickier in texture for me. So that's what I prefer. So I like my soup to be a bit chunkier, so I'm just going to halve these. Alright, so the broth has come to a boil. And from here, I'm going to start adding in all of my other ingredients. Alright, so lastly, I'm going to add the bok choy leaves. I like to add them last because they'll cook faster than everything else, so I don't want to add them too early because then they'll just be wilted up by the very end. The soup is almost ready. I'm just gonna let it come to a boil one more time.